There are many things that we do from day to day, not knowing they are causing huge problems for our health. Baffling presents 4 things you need to stop doing right now. Be sure to like the video and subscribe. Number 1. Bringing electronics to the bathroom. Recent study has shown that 90% of the people who own a smartphone or a tablet take them to the bathroom with them when they go poop. It's a big mistake for a few reasons. The first is germs. Most of the surfaces in the bathroom are contaminated with germs. When you have your phone with you in the bathroom, it's going to pick up every germ and bacteria that's in there and could possibly make you sick. The second reason is the potential for hemorrhoids. When you take your phone with you in the bathroom, you're likely to stay on the toilet longer than you have to. That can put excess pressure on your rectum, resulting in hemorrhoids. Next time you go to the bathroom to take a dump, try leaving your phone behind. Number 2. Kissing your pets. Many of us have had moments when coming home, we saw our dog at the door. We brushed with and hug and kiss. We even allow it to lick her nose, lips, and cheeks. But is this hygienic? In 2011, a team of Japanese researchers collected the dental plaque from 60 dogs and 80 people. There were those in the number who attended schools for dog training and veterinary clinics. It turns out that humans and dogs' mouths had bacteria that can be transmitted through kissing. These bacteria cause periodontics, a severe form of gingivitis. A disease leads to the destruction of periodontal tissue, heart disease, kidney failure, and diabetes. Number 3. High heels. High heels are one of women's favorite fashion items, and they are probably one of the most iconic styles of shoes ever. However, they are also one of the most unstable shoes ever. Hundreds of thousands of people every year going to the hospital because of tripping in high heels, and one very sad and ironic story in 2012 happened when author of the novel Stilettolu Anne ve Made in Barcelona Bebek called Güneş Sayın Kalyoncu, who's got her high heels stuck in an elevator on her way to Bogosinan and killing her. Why was this ironic? Her whole book was about a woman who wears a lot of high heels. But remember, this didn't just happen to her. It happens to thousands of people every year. Number 4. Watching porn. There has been a lot of information out on why porn addiction is just bad for you. It will paint a false picture of what a really healthy relationship actually looks like. This will leave you empty and never satisfied. A study has shown that 450 men over a period of 6 months that watched porn 3 to 5 times a week. It used a depression scale to see how they are not happy after that 6 months period. The average population rated around the 6.8 marker in that depression scale. Those porn users were 3 to 5 times more unhappy than the average population, rating on average around 15 on the depression scale. They also studied guys that watched it every single day. Those guys rated 21. Leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe. Thanks for watching.